a little after 2 o'clock. I set my alarm for 1 o'clock p.m. I worked last night, but I said I still wanted to get out and do a little hunting down here, and boy, I'm glad I did. I was not even in the stand 45 minutes, and a decent buck came out, and I dropped him in his tracks. I can't see him because he's in some really tall grass, but I called David, and he says they're real close to being home, so he said just wait for me, we'll come out and get it with you. So I guess I just gotta wait a couple more minutes, and soon they'll be here, and then we'll go take a look at what we got.
Well, we just got back home, and we were about 5 miles away, and Matt called me and he said, get over here quick, I just got a buck. So we're headed out, we're gonna get his reaction and load up his nice, he said it's a nice buck. We'll see how nice it is.
I didn't see him run off, I saw him drop, so he should be laying right there. We got a steady rain right now. It's not supposed to be done raining till like 4 p.m. so just before dark. I'm like, oh, maybe the deer will come out, you know, in that last half hour or so. But no, he came out in the field right in the middle of this crap. So I'm pretty excited. Pretty soon you'll see David be coming driving right back from over there. Doesn't really matter as long as it pays off and get a little bit wet. Oh well, I can go warm up. Oh, there's David right now coming up.
There he is, up in his,
like a little fork.
See him up there, Landon?
Yep, like a little fork. It's a really nice deer stand. You can see from the back, bake.
Gets knocked out.
Yeah, the game plan is I'm gonna walk toward where he thinks the deer is so that Matt has a good reference point. And then I'll let him come on down. He said he dropped it in its tracks. All right. At him. Straight, okay. Tell me how far. Got it. I won't walk all the way up to it yet, Matt. We're gonna have venison for supper tonight. Heck yeah. Heck yeah, I saw it. I didn't see the rack yet, so I'll let you see the rack first.
Up on my left, right?
You were right on.
I was right on.
You were right on. So wherever you think it is, that's where it'll be.
I've already turned around a little bit.
I think it's a little more to this way. Yeah, I think I can see it out of the corner of my eye.
Yeah, there he is. Oh, he's nice.
Good. Ow! Beauty, Matt.
Jackpot.
What a jackpot. What is it, a 10? 9? Almost a 10. Well, busted brow tine and a breast busted. Point.
5, 6, 7, 8,
Bloody
9.
nose, bloody mouth.
Where did I hit him?
Must have been neck, maybe?
Maybe. Oh, right there.
Oh, belly.
Pretty cool, huh, Landon?
Down, bring it back.
Sweet!
That's a nice one. What are you gonna do with this puppy?
Leave it there. Pull it back for Matt. Both of you pull it back.
It's really an 8-pointer since that's busted, I guess.
Guys, right? You have
Jeez.
back to the thing.
That's pretty cool, huh?
Yep, that's awesome.